Getting lean shouldn't taste like a punishment. These tacos are the actual cheat code for fat loss. Let's make them. We're gonna add 1 sliced onion, 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts, 1 pack of taco seasoning, 3/4 cup of chicken broth, and a cup of salsa verde, low calorie, 5 calories per serving. We're gonna give it a good mix, and now we'll cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. So while our chicken cooks, we're gonna make our high protein Chipotle sauce. We're gonna add 1 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. We're gonna use 3 of these Chipotle peppers and the sauce, and 3, and about a teaspoon of the sauce itself. We'll squeeze in 1 lime, a clove of garlic. I'm using garlic, about a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and just a little bit of salt. Blend it up. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk to thin it out just a little bit, because we're gonna put this in a bottle and we don't want to get stuck in the nozzle. All right, so you're gonna grab one of these squeezed bottles and one of these funnels, and we're simply just gonna pour this into the bottle. Easy as that, high protein Chipotle sauce. We got a few more hours on the chicken. Once that's done, all we gotta do is assemble. Chicken is done, and we are gonna take our chicken, put it on the board, and I'm gonna use 2 forks, and I'm gonna go ahead and shred it up. It's all shredded. We're gonna dump this back into the crock pot. All right, so it's all mixed up now, nice and covered in the sauce. Look at that. All right, now we assemble. So I'm gonna use these 0 carb street taco tortillas for this recipe. 2 tortillas is 60 calories. All right, so now we assemble. So first, we're gonna put the chicken in each taco. So for the toppings, I'm just gonna put some iceberg lettuce and a little bit of this pico de gallo, and now our high protein Chipotle sauce. All right, let's go ahead and give it a try. Yep. Chipotle sauce definitely has a kick. Yeah, the chicken's good, not too dry, and these tortillas are just nice and soft. Yeah, these are legit. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out my other meal prep recipes right here.